to do your work, to do your purpose, to work together to legalize this incredible plant that is here to serve all of the needs of humanity. Please welcome Executive Director of the New Jersey Cannabis Business Association, Tara Mizu Sargente. Hey guys, New York City, wow, this is amazing. So I have to ask, I'm the New Jersey Cannabis Business Director. Where's my New Jersey people? All right, because I'm gonna need your help for legalization. But I have a secret, and this is just for the New Jersey people. I really want to beat New York, okay? So I need you guys to get together. I do a lot of these events and speaking engagements, but this one's really special to me. So in 1999, I went to my first one of these 20 years ago, and we were over in Washington Square Park, and I went to school up the road at Fordham, and me and my friends went down. And to see what it is today is crazy, because we were there, and basically we were just smoking and said, we're not gonna get arrested, right? And my friend said, I don't think so. But, so fast forward 10 years from then, I started my business, and my mother said to me, she's like, you're not gonna get arrested, right? And I asked my lawyer, and he said, no, I don't think so. But don't use your real name. So, and that's been 10 years later now. And to see this is absolutely incredible. But in that time, a lot of people did get arrested. And that's part of why I do what I do today, is because, yes, thank you. We need to help people who have been hurt by the drug war. People who still believe misinformation that's outdated, that cannabis is a gateway drug. And we need to fight for this. New York, New Jersey, nationally. I mean, this is wonderful, but we're not there yet. I mean, we still got some ways to go. And so my organization, the New Jersey Cannabis Business Association, we are talking to legislators, we're getting out there, and I used to think that was a really scary thing. Like, I had never talked to a legislator before, but it's actually really easy, and we have the resources right on our website. We're doing a campaign with some of the other activist groups in New Jersey, and you just tell you where you live, they gives you your phone number, your letter, and you right there. So please, I encourage you all to do that right now, and especially minorities are being targeted at 3 times the rate of someone with my skin color. I know you know. In New Jersey, 88 people a day are getting arrested. That wasn't very nice. And one thing I fought for really hard is women, minorities, and veterans. And when I'm talking to these legislators, I love that the industry's growing, but we don't want to leave the little guys behind. I've been in this business, I've been a small business the whole time. And I want people like me to have a chance to have a business, to thrive in this industry. And that's the goal of our organization too, to create a sustainable, responsible cannabis industry in New York, in New Jersey, and in America. So please, we have a booth in the back. I'd love to give you guys all more information if you like. We are signing people up today. It's $42 to join. It's a homage to 420. And if you sign up today, you get free admission to our next event, which is in Atlantic City. It's going to be Tramps Trade Show. It's a great way if you're trying to get your foot in the door of the industry to see what's going on. But I had one more thing I wanted to say. So we have a vote coming in on May 30th in New Jersey. The trade show's in Atlantic City. I think it's going to be at Borgata. But check our website. It's NewJerseyCannabisBusiness.com, and that brings me also, follow us on social media. Follow Blaze and Bakery on social media. I'll be posting all this information. But reach out before May 30th. We need this vote to pass. We need legalization in New Jersey, and you guys really can make a difference. All right, thank you, New York.
Thank you, Tara. Thank you for the great work that you do.